Hi tribe, welcome to Rebuilding the Warrior. This is one of my daily workouts. First exercise, I'm going to be doing 40 seconds on each, then a 10 or 15 second rest. This is not about beasting ourselves. This is about doing what we can do. If you need to do them on your knees, if your shoulders hurt, do them less. If you want to do them up against a wall, like so, do it, but don't give up. I'm going to be doing mine on the floor because I've always been able to, but it's a lot less than I used to do. 40 seconds, let's go. I'm making sure, although I do them as best as I can, not banging them out, really squeezing at the top. Tummy's hitting the floor. Let's try and pull that tummy in. Oh, it's so much harder than it used to be. God, that hurts. Oh. First set out the way. I wish I could, yeah. But this is all about ease. Right, next, bodyweight squats. Okay, watch your knees, listen to those whispers. If I'm feeling any pain or tightness, I'm going to keep it easy. Try and keep your heels on the floor. Let's go. Oh my God. We got this. Come on, we got this. After this, I got a 5-mile easy walk. No speed. Just get those steps in. And mindfully thinking about the calories I'm burning, the carbon dioxide I'm blowing off. Excellent. Those Superman extensions. Balance. That's what's needed. Okay. So opposing legs. Let's see. Opposing arms and legs. That one. And try and straighten it. Here we go, chums. Oh dear. That's good. Oh, I'm really paying attention to my lower back. The slightest little twinge and I will either stop or take it a bit easier. But I'm doing a squeeze at the end. Now, plank. You can do this high or low. I don't know which one. I don't know. Maybe I should research. Is high better than low? But I'm going to do it low and just 40 seconds today. Ready? And go. Again, whilst we're doing this, try not to let the tummy drop. Even if you've got a bit of a keg, pull that tummy in. Go and squeeze it in. Squeeze the tummy in. Oh. Feel the burn, own the zone, and all those other trendy words. Yeah, 15 to go. Trying to keep it straight. Holding that lower tummy muscle. Ouchie pouchy. And I have to say, this one really burns my shoulders. Okay, we're going to mix it up. There'll be a bit more crunchy core stuff, but let's do hip thrusts. I think we don't normally do those, being guys, but I'm trying to get back in. I'm trying to elevate my fitness. Okay. Oh, set the timer, 40 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2. Now you can make this harder. You can put a leg out. But I'm just going to get the muscles used to it again. Remember, I've basically completely fallen off the wagon for the last few months. And I really don't want to pick up an injury by thinking I could do what I used to do. Excellent. And I think that's the problem. If you've used to be fit, active, getting back into it, it's like retired guys buying stupidly powerful motorbikes and becoming a statistic that I used to mop up. Let's do those lunges. For me, really have to be careful. This feels very tight and snappable. 40 seconds. Down. But just small amounts every day. We're not trying to change the world overnight. We're trying to make sure that maybe this time next year we're the best version we could ever have been in our life. We're not trying to beat our old selves. We're not trying to beat some guy down the gym, a family member or a friend. This is about you. Oh. Ow. Let's save the worst till last, shall we? One more exercise. Mountain climbers. These will be done very, very carefully. All right. If you can get your knee to the opposing elbow, good. If you can't, just bring your leg up, even if it's a few inches. All right. If I'm doing way more than you are, don't sweat it, okay? If I'm doing way less than you're doing, good on you. Leave me a tip on how I can get better. Let's go. Oh, flipping heck. Hearing my pelvis crunch. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh. When did life get so hard? One thing I'm going to add at the end, because I'm going to practice this, so I'll say it here. My goal is to be able to do a handstand again and a planche. So I'm going to practice this frog stand just for 5-10 seconds. And if I get it wrong, I'll keep it in. All right, let's get that balance point. Hip, yes. Right. Let me know what your favourites are or your least favourite. Let's do more this time next week. Take care, tribe. We've got this. Let's rebuild the warrior inside.